Hi, welcome to Shalini Futique. This is Shalini. Today I am going to show you how to make tapioca chips. I bought 1 kg of tapioca and washed it, and I peeled the skin and then sliced it. I have 2 huge mountains of slices and it is too starchy, so I am going to dry it. First you need to spread it in a cloth. You can dry it inside. I want to make it fast. If you dry it inside, it will take half an hour to 1 hour to feel dry. I want to make it fast, so I'm going to dry it in the sun. Like this, I spread it in a white cloth and I'm drying it. Or you can keep it in plates and dry it. Like each one I separated and dried. If you spare time in this, then frying is easy. While frying, it will not stick to each other. Here my slices are ready to fry. I left it more than 2 hours. Now it is not sticking to each other. I can fry it. I'm heating oil in a pan. Oil is in medium heat. Just check it with the one slice. At this stage you can add your slices. Don't dump your slices. Spread and add. And with a spoon or fork, you can just move it. And if it is sticked, you can try to remove it. But it's not at all sticky. It's all separated. Let it fry till the bubbles go off. No need it to turn because I am using my spoon in between to flip it. That's enough. Let it cook till it is turning the color into golden brown, or till you see the bubbles go off. The bubbles are reduced. Try to circulate it to get even color. It's actually right time. See, the bubbles are almost reduced. You can take it little by little. This is the first batch, so it didn't change its color much, but the next batches you will get that golden brown color. This is my next batch. Like this is little colorful. Drain out the oil as much as you can. And again drop it in tissue paper so that it will absorb some oil. Here I took a small batch of fried chips. In this I am adding some salt and plain chilli powder. You can add according to your taste. Just sprinkle it. Some salt. The chips is having little oil. It is coated with little oil immediately after frying. This will helps you to this will helps the powders to stick to the chips. So add it immediately after frying. And then toss it. It is ready to serve. It is really tasting good. You can try this recipe. It is really healthy recipe. It is really healthy for your family. Try it and share it with your friends. If you like it, subscribe to Shalini Futique. Thanks for watching.